yasSoftware. Today we are going to see how to create a floor tile in 3dsmax vray. Guys, if you are new to our channel, this is yasSoftware related to civil and architect software knowledge. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe. Let's see the video. This is the granite slab material I already made. You can see the grout means joints between the tile. Most grouts are cement or lime. You can see the difference. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do. Select a tile material instead of bitmap. Here is the advanced settings. Here I want a 4 feet square tile, so I'm drawing this rectangle for my reference. Suppose if you want a 2 feet square tile, increase the horizontal and vertical value multiple of 2. Or if you want a 1 feet square tile, the same process, increase the value multiple of 2.